Hi, I am here with Christina Barbu, who is the registered nurse at Drip IV, and welcome to another segment of Kathy Broken Community. Thank you so much for letting me come and speak with you. So I recently did an endurance hike up in Sun Valley, Idaho. It was a 29,029 vertical foot climb. And I started my climb on Friday morning at 6 a.m., Wednesday morning or Tuesday afternoon. I came in and I had an IV of all these different minerals and so forth, and I wanted to say, my gosh, I'm a testimonial that it helped. So in that, I would like to tell the world where Drip IV came from, who started it, and would love for you to share all of that.
Sure. So Drip IV is actually owned by Mark McManus, and our medical director is Dr. Khan, which is a world-known cardiologist. And basically what we do here is IV therapy. All the vitamins are quality vitamins coming from a pharmacy that is very dear to Dr. Khan. We just, as for you, for a hike, we prepared you with vitamins and minerals to kind of just get you through the hike, and also the hydration that you got from the fluids that we gave you. We gave you vitamin C. All the B vitamins got you the energy and helped you get through it. And the amino acids also were great for recovery. And that's part of Drip IV therapy. We just help you get hydrated and get all your vitamins and minerals that are essential for every day.
I did want to say that it's not just for athletes, okay? So Drip IV is for anyone who, is under stress, right? So with work or with COVID, I mean, just trying to reboot your immune system, correct? I mean, it's not just for athletes.
Right, no, it's for everyone, really. We even do young adults, and we get them through whatever they're going through. If they're maybe just preventative, or after they're sick and they just want to prepare their immune system to get back on track. And it's for everyone, athletes included, but also it can help with a variety of things.
There's no question that this type of intense fluid into your system with all these minerals works. So whether you're a student or a parent that needs a little rest to come in, because when you're on your IV, you get about 45 minutes of rest, come into Drip IV in Birmingham, across the street from the Townsend Hotel, and meet Christina and really come try it out.